Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are taking a comprehensive look at the complete setup process for the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. Let's get started. First thing first, power on your phone by pressing and holding the side button. You will see the Samsung logo and in just a few moments, the welcome screen will appear. Now, you will need to select your language. Tap the drop-down menu to see a wide variety of options, including many Indian languages. For this guide, I'll be using English India. Tap OK, then Start. Next, you will see the end user license agreement and privacy policy. These are standard and mandatory, so you will need to agree to proceed. You can also review the optional diagnostic data collection. Once you have made your choices, tap Agree to continue. Samsung offers a quick easy setup with another device, but we will choose Setup manually for a complete walkthrough. Now let us connect to Wi-Fi. Find your network, enter the password, or use the handy QR code scanner if your router supports it. The phone will take a few moments to prepare. You will then see the Copy Apps and Data screen. If you are switching from an old Android or iPhone, this is where you can transfer everything over. For this guide, I will select Don't Copy to start fresh. This next step is crucial. Logging into your Google account. This is how you will access the Play Store and other Google services. While you can skip it for now, I highly recommend logging in. For this video, I will skip it, but you should definitely come back to this step later. Time to secure your phone. You will be given options like face recognition, fingerprints, pattern, PIN, or a password. It is smart to set this up right away. For this demo, I will skip it, but I can't stress enough how important it is to protect your device. Now, review the Google services. Uncheck anything you don't want and tap OK. Next, you can select your default search engine. I will stick with Google as it is the most common option and tap Next. The next step is to log into your Samsung account. This gives you access to a bunch of exclusive services and features. If you have an account, log in. If not, or if you want to skip, tap Forgot Password or Don't Have an Account. And then set up later in Settings. Review the legal information for Samsung services. The terms are mandatory, but other options are up to you. For Samsung service, you can opt out or keep the options based on your preference. Tap Agree to proceed. After that, you will choose your display mode, light or dark. I will stick with light and tap Next. You might see some recommended apps. Select or deselect as you see fit. And just like that, you're all set. Tap Home. You will be prompted to experience Samsung services. Tap Agree and select your language to install Samsung curated apps. You can skip this by tapping the X and then Later in the top right corner. Then Exit App Setup. Yes. You will finally be on your home screen. A quick tip. Swipe down from the top left corner to open the notification panel. You will likely see a notification that says Finish setting up your device. This will guide you through any steps you have skipped, like logging into your Google account or setting up security. Your phone will also be busy in the background, updating and installing apps. And that's it, a complete walkthrough of the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G setup for the beginners. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech tutorials and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching.